Today, we're going to be converting these basic ingredients into the most delicious New York mini cheesecakes. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. These are my go-to dessert for any party because my guests enjoy the creamy texture and the crunchy base, and I'm sure your guests are going to enjoy it too. And I'm so excited to share my recipe with you, so let's get started. To get that nice crunchy base, we're going to take 150 grams of graham crackers and make it into a crumb. Just adding in the rest. You could even use digestive biscuits or any other cracker that you like. We're going to transfer it into a bowl and add 1.5 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. We're going to give this a light mix so that the sugar gets well distributed with the cracker crumbs. To bring this together, we're going to add 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. We're going to mix this till we get a wet sand-like texture, and the butter is going to help to keep the base firm. Let's line a muffin tray with cupcake liners. To get that crunchy base, we're going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of the crumb that we had prepared earlier. I find that using a 1/3 cup measure is an excellent tool to firm up the bottom. Now that we have the base already, let's keep the tray aside and mix up our cream cheese filling. To make our cream cheese filling, we're going to go in with 2 cups of block cream cheese or 450 grams, and this is at room temperature. And using an electric hand mixer, we're going to cream it up till it's nice and smooth. And to that, we're going to gradually add in 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. Occasionally, you'll want to scrape down the bowl to get all that cream cheese that has splashed up the sides. We're just going to give that another light mix. And to that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of full-fat sour cream, which is at room temperature. Now let's combine this together. With our mixer and stir, we're going to add 2 large eggs, which are at room temperature, and we're going to mix till just incorporated. Oh my, it looks like this egg doesn't want to join the party. Okay, this seems just right. To flavor our cheesecake, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of a pure vanilla extract. For that little extra zing, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And to bring this all together, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. We're going to mix this on a slow speed and bring it together till just combined. And the trick to get your cheesecake without any cracks and without any dips is not to overmix the batter. And once you add the eggs, you want to keep your mixer on stir. And there we have that lovely creamy texture, and those little specks that you see are the lemon zest, which is going to add so much of flavor to our cheesecake. Using a trigger release ice cream scoop, we're going to start scooping in the cream cheese mixture. These are a great make-ahead dessert which can be refrigerated and decorated just in time for your party. Once you're done filling all the cheesecakes, you're going to give it a slight jiggle to even out the surface before we place them in an oven preheated at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees centigrade, and we're going to bake them for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the tops are just set. Once the cheesecakes have firmed up on the top, we're going to take them out of the oven and allow them to cool completely before we refrigerate them for about 3 to 4 hours so that they get a chance to firm up. I've just pulled the cheesecakes out of the refrigerator, and if you follow this recipe, you're sure to get cheesecakes without any cracks and without any dips. And now it's time to dress up the cheesecakes. On the first one, we're going to place a sliced strawberry. I'm going to cut this into half and use only 3 of the slices. I really like this topping because it's so simple but chic at the same time. To decorate the second one, we're going to put a little dollop of strawberry jam. And we're going to place on some blueberries, a blackberry, and some raspberries. Just going to top it with one more blueberry. This is one of my favorites because it's such a burst of flavors. And now for the next one, I whipped up some heavy cream, and with a startup nozzle, we're going to pipe on a little topping. And we're going to place half a strawberry on the top. And now once again, using the startup nozzle, we're going to pipe on some fresh cream, drizzle on some raspberry jam, and we're going to top it with a raspberry. And let's not forget the nut lovers. We're going to pipe on some of the cream once again. And we're going to drizzle on some salted caramel. And top it with a pecan half. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm so excited, it's time to give this a taste. Which one should I pick? I think I'm going to go in with the strawberry one. Okay. Wow, look how well the layers came out, and it's looking so delicious. I just can't wait. Cheesecake is so creamy, and that little crunch, oh my gosh. Wow, that was so delicious, I can't stop eating it. But all the flavors are really good. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite. Hey, and before I go, if you love my recipes and enjoy my videos but haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. And if you hit on that bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And while you're at it, hit on that like button and leave me your comments below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.